What is the definition of perfect face makeup?
Pray for me, for me. Pray I find my way.
Hey family, welcome back. Hope you're doing fantastic. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Esther, MsTopacJay, so welcome. So into this video, I'm going to be taking it all back. I'm going to be going back to basics. I'm going to be acting like I knew nothing about makeup. It's not like I know everything about makeup right now though, so who do you think you are, Esther? But anyway, I'm going to be acting like I don't know anything about makeup because, you know, all we do here is we go back, you know? Oh my god, that was pathetic. Anyway, so with that being said, I want to take it to Google and find out what steps do I need to do a full face of makeup. Does that make sense? And let me know in the comment section down below if you've ever Googled makeup steps or how to do makeup on your face before. Alright, so let's just jump straight into it. If you yet subscribe, that means you're not part of the fembam. What are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe now. Join the fembam. And make sure notifications turned on. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Alright, without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so to do this, as I said in the beginning, we're going to take it to Google. So I have already opened an incognito page here, so that way my registered Google search does not come up. So here we go. Google. What do we type? What would I type if I wanted to know exactly what to do for makeup? Makeup steps. Oh, there we go. Makeup steps. Okay, so the first blog here is goop.com and the second one here is makeup.com. Which one do we go for? Okay, so goop.com has how to do your own makeup for night and day. Okay, and makeup.com says the ultimate step-by-step tutorial for perfect face makeup. Perfect face makeup. Let's do that because we want a perfect face makeup, you know, because our face is already now I want to add the effect so it can be perfect. Does that make sense? So here we go, makeup.com. Well, she's pretty. Look at that blush on her face. Okay, so you said perfect face makeup. What is the definition of perfect face makeup? Wow, I like the interface of the blog. Whew, this girl looks like RCL Beauty. Okay, so here we go. Step one, start with a clean slate. Make sure your face is fresh and moisturized before putting any product on it. Then apply primer with your fingers to ensure your makeup lasts all day. Step one. Okay, good. So our face is fresh. So my face is fresh, which means I've already washed my face, I've already moisturized. So now I am going to go ahead and apply primer. They don't have a particular primer that they're suggesting. Most of these blogs put a link to makeup products. This one didn't. So let's just go in with primer. I'm going to use an hydrating primer today. I'm going to be using the Revolution Pro Primer and Hydrate primer. Oh, they said with your fingers. Whoops. Let's do that again. I don't know how you apply primer with your fingers. I'm just so used to applying primer with my palm. Fingers. Okay. I can't be bothered with this. Finger takes too long, man, because fingers are so small, but they're gentle, so I see the reason why. Okay, primer is done. Step one, finito, done. Step two, using dual fiber. It's been a while since I used a dual fiber brush to apply into my face. Using dual fiber brush, in bracket the kind with white tips, apply foundation all over the skin and blend it onto the neck. We love Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation for this. Yeah, I've done a foundation test on the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation. It's 99 Australian dollars and I didn't see any difference to a more affordable foundation that I have in my collection. So I only got a sample of that and I decided not to buy it. Thank you very much. So you love it, but the price don't love me, so we ain't gonna be using that today. Okay, so I'm gonna find a dual fiber brush and I'm just gonna grab a foundation that I like. We're gonna use this one. So this is the Elegant Pro Coverage HD Eye Definition Longwear Illuminating Foundation. This is in the shade Coffee. Okay, so dual fiber brush. Dual fiber brush. By the way, dual fiber brush are amazing in applying makeup. I love it, and it just makes things look more kind of natural looking, especially when it's liquid type of foundations, not necessarily like those matte foundations that will kind of give you streaks. So if you don't have this in your collection, go and find you some. You might not use it all the time, but the times that you use it, you will really appreciate it. So this is the brush that I am using. This one is by Ovoni. I would think that the second step would be brows, but it depends. Sometimes I like to do my brows. Actually, most of the times I like to do my brows before I do my foundation. And I used to do my brows after I do my foundation, and it actually helped me a lot. But then something happened to my fingers that I ended up having a bad brow day if I do my brows after I've applied foundation. And I'm like, okay, go back to applying it before foundation. So I guess it's your preference. So I have the foundation here. Yeah, look, what am I doing? So you just kind of want to buff it. You know how like when you see makeup artists apply makeup on like celebrities or more beautiful people, and they just kind of like go like this? That's what I like to do with dual fabric brush. It just makes things, it makes me feel fancy, you know what I'm saying? So there we go. Now we're gonna take it to the neck because they said so. Okay, there we go. Foundation is applied. Thank you, good sir. Thank you. Thank you, makeup.com. Now what's next? Step 3. Apply concealer below your eyes in the shape of a triangle. This technique ensures natural looking coverage, brightens up your face, and draws attention to your eyes. Okay, I don't really do triangle, like downward triangle. I do a side triangle, but even then it's not really triangle. You know, when you bring it close to your nose and then you triangle it out, you know, like a backward triangle. I don't do a straight down triangle. Let's use Maybelline today. I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 10. Because why not? If not, actually I was going to use MAC. Should I use MAC? Yeah, let's use Maybelline. Okay, so they said triangle. And the model has an actual triangle in her eye. So we're going to, okay, and then draw a triangle down like this. I wouldn't do this. You need to figure out what exact concealer shape or whatever application suits your face shape. I've noticed that the one that I draw close to my nose and then wing it out suits my face shape the best. So this one doesn't necessarily suit my face shape because it doesn't cover the orifices of my face, my under eye. Okay, so there we go. She has a triangle right there and she has a space inside the triangle. So we have like a somewhat of an Illuminating symbol, but we're Christians, so we don't do that. But that's kind of what we've got on our face. Wow, I look like I look naked because I don't have brows on. It's quite weird. Okay, so apply concealer. Okay, where does it say blend it out? The next one doesn't say blend out. Okay, I'm guessing I just blend it out, even though they didn't say you should blend it out. Okay, I guess it's common sense, so use your common sense, Esther. All right, I'm gonna blend it out. We blending it out using the Shop Miss A Wonder Blender sponge. Oh dear. Naturally, I bring my concealer up to my lid, so I'm already doing that. All right, let me just blend this. Ugh, I don't like this blend. Ugh, my nose, it's not my nose. Ooh, this is weird. See, like you can, this shape is not for my face shape. So you need to find what's for your face shape, you know, in my opinion anyway. All right, so there we go. Concealer is applied. When do we set it? Step 4, apply highlighter along the top of your cheekbones, on your cupid's bow, chin, in between the brows. Then sweep a contour powder along the side of your nose, along the forehead, near your hairline, and hollows of your cheek. Why doesn't it say apply powder on the concealer? I need to set the concealer because it will crease. It will major crease. And I already have lines under my eyes. I need to set this. How am I not setting this? Do you set yours? And I use the liquidy type of concealer that I need to set. Oh my lord. But I haven't set my, this blog is making me feel all types of way. So I'm going to be using the E.L.F. Sunkissed bronzer. Oh lord, this is what it looks like. So apply cheekbone, cupid's bow, chin, in between the brows. Where's in between the brows? Oh, right here. I apply it right here. Oh, and then swipe a contour powder along the side of your nose, your forehead, and hollows of your cheekbones. Okay. Wait, what did they say? I've already forgotten. I always forget instructions, man. On your cupid's bow, chin, in between the brows. This is weird, but we're just gonna trust the process. Or did they mean concealer? No, I don't think they meant concealer. I think they really meant highlighter. Oh Lord Jesus. Am I glowing for the gods or with the god? Okay. Swipe a contour powder along the side of your nose. Oh, I need a small brush for that. It would be great to know that. So I'm using a small brush. This is a blending brush. And I'm using the NYX contour palette. I'm gonna grab the dark shade there and swipe this along the side of my nose. Okay. And then along your forehead. Okay, let's grab a more angled brush. I just watched this. I don't know why I'm using this. This is by Avoni. Forehead. Okay. They got me looking all wrong out here, literally. Okay. All right, next step, apply blush to the apples of your cheek, extending towards the temple. Okay, I do that. This is the E.L.F. blush palette. I'm going to use this shade. I don't know what shade I just pointed at. Yeah, the shade. I'm still using the same angled brush because why not? Apply blush to the apples of your cheek. Okay, I kind of like to mix it with my highlighter as well, so it kind of has that pink infused into whatever color highlighter I have down. But it's not about what I do today, it's about what they want me to do. So When are we gonna do the brows? Step 6, apply a light gold shimmery shadow or any shadow of your choice to the lid and just below the lash line. So apply, let's just grab that E.L.F. bronzer. With what? What do I use actually? Oh, use a fluffy brush. I was about to use my finger. Using a fluffy blending brush, dust a soft brown shade. Oh, wait. Okay. So they want me to apply a light gold shimmery shadow to my lid and below the lash line, but they didn't tell me which brush to use for that. But they're telling me which brush to use to apply a soft brown shade. Okay. So I'm just going to use... Oh, the concealer's already creasing under my eyes. Okay, let me just, oh, Lord Jesus. Let me just use my finger to apply this bronzer on my lid. A shimmery bronzer, they said. A shimmery shadow. So this is shimmery enough. The funny thing is, I'm going out after this. I'm definitely gonna have to wipe my face off. I'm not going out like this. I'll just tweak things. I'm not wiping it off. Anybody got time for that? Okay. And below the lash line. Huh? What did they say? Just below the lash line. Where's my lash line? What's below the lash line? The lower lash line or the top lash line? I don't understand. Okay, we're just gonna let that go. All right, so they said using a fluffy blending brush, dust the soft brown shade into the crease and blend outwards. All right, okay, so I'm using the Morphe 350M palette. Let's grab this soft brown shade right here and blend into the crease. Okay. It's good. It's good. All right, it's in the crease. Okay. All right, so there we go. We've applied brown to the crease. What's next? Okay, fill in your brows using a brow pencil or powder. I'm sorry, sweetie. I'm going to be using a pomade. Pencil mixed with powder, panda, but pomade. I'm going to be using the Benefit KaBrow in a shade 5. And I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. Brows have been filled in. I had to be really careful because I know that nothing, and the steps so far I said clean up your brows if you do mess up. Nothing, so I had to be very careful so I didn't have to clean it up. So I think it's looking all right. Okay, so next step, oh yeah, that's right, still in step 6, they said swipe on some mascara and your eye makeup is set. What about lashes, girl? I guess this is for a non-lash wearer. I have to wear lashes, baby, because my eyes look naked without them. But yeah, I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. Do I put on my lower lash line? I guess they didn't mention anything about putting on a lower lash line, so I won't. For what it's worth, it does look a little bit glowy, you know, my eyes. And, you know, if I just apply lashes, it will look perfect, but it does not look perfect right now. Okay. Step 7, using a lip brush, swipe on a natural rosy pink. I mean, it will still look good, but something about that. Swipe on a natural rosy pink lipstick and you're good to go. Let me find one. I'm going to find the rosy pink lipstick. Okay, so I've grabbed the rosy pink. Actually, I googled color rosy pink and this one is the perfect rosy pink. It's rosy pink. This is the NYX Turned Up lipstick in a shade TULS, TULS. Yeah, but this is what it looks like. It's rosy pink. Okay. Did they say using a lip brush? I'm gonna follow the steps. Using a lip brush. Okay, what if I don't have a lip brush? Okay, let me just find a random brush. This is a regular blending brush. I mean, my skin is actually looking a bit glowy right now, isn't it? Okay, so we're gonna grab the lipstick. I haven't used this in a while, actually. Okay, it's not bad. Did they say swipe? Swipe, I know, swipey. Swipe on a natural rosy pink lip gloss. Yep, swipe. They say swipe. Okay. Oh, my mascara is smudged. Okay, so here we are. I mean, I look really fresh and glowy. Can you see me in the mirror? Ooh, look at me, girl. Hey, hi, how you doing? Actually, I think I like it, but I don't know. There's something off. Something is wrong. My face. You know what I know though? It's a good start, you know? It's a beginner's guide, which is good. I would definitely be leaving the highlighter in between my brows because it looks so good in between my brows. I really love it. I've never done that before. I usually apply in my temple area right here, and I did it today, but I've never applied highlighter in between my brows. And I think this is something I'll be doing more now. I generally do apply highlighters on my chin, so I really love that. I love that this instruction or this guide included that. And I definitely do apply highlighter right here on the top of my cheekbone or whatever. The eyeshadow step, it's nice, you know, it's good. I would really like it to, actually I wouldn't really change much about the eyeshadow step, to be honest with you. If I was a beginner that hasn't really started wearing lashes yet, and I'm still scared, because I remember before I started wearing lashes, girl, I was scared. And when I eventually started, like, it literally would take my sister and I 30 minutes to apply lash on one eye. So if I was a beginner that wasn't wearing lashes before, I would be happy with this eye look. And the brown, soft brown color in the crease, it's a nice quick little definition and eye contour, so I like that. What else? The foundation, buffing the foundation with a stippling brush, I really love doing that. Concealer under the eyes, not setting it, that's a no-no from me. I would have really appreciated for them to have an option, or in bracket, optional set concealer with a powder. That would have been amazing, you know. Yeah, so my face is looking nice and glowy. It just needs to look a little bit semi-matte, just mainly in the center right here. The lipstick though, I was a bit worried, but it looks okay. Yeah, so that is it. I know I didn't take my headband off. I just kind of thought there ain't no point, honey, because I think I'm gonna change my hair for the day and wear a straighter hair, because it's a bit windy out there. Ain't nobody got time to be like putting the hair back in place, like stay on, okay? So I'm gonna change it, but I'm gonna keep the face on, and I'm just gonna set my under eye, and I'm gonna pop on lashes, and literally that's all I'm going to do. Okay, so yeah, so what do you guys think about this video? I actually enjoyed doing this video. I like this concept. I think I will create a playlist called Back to Basics and just put this video in that playlist as well. And I think next time maybe we'll look at how to do your brows, or highlight and contour, or, you know, for beginners, and just kind of explore those steps and these blogs and all that, you know, because I see a lot of blogs out there. So let me know in the comment section down below what makeup step you'd like me to recreate or follow based on the blog next. Just let me know, especially something that you've been curious about as well, okay? And we'll put in the Back to Basics playlist. So this is, I guess we'll call this a series. So yeah, that's all I have for you babes today. Thank you so much for watching. Today's film notification is Maya. Oh, thank you so much for commenting on the quality of my content. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, fam, for watching. As always, whatever you're doing to love yourself. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye. Hope you're doing fantastic. Again. Hey, fam, welcome back over to fantastic. To me, perfect face makeup is, I have issues. All right, so here we go. And yes, we have a new background. Oh my gosh, God. Where you at, girl? There it is. Yes. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Okay, no. Swipey. You're just a friend. Oh, baby, you got what I need. I am set for Jesus. Okay.